What's up, gadget lovers? Welcome back to HomeGuard Tech, your ultimate spot for the coolest, craziest home tech on Amazon. Today, we're revealing 15 new coolest home gadgets that actually solve problems, upgrade daily life, and make your home feel smarter. No gimmicks, just real value. Hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment for what you want to see next on HomeGuard Tech. Let's jump right in. Smart air quality sensor. Indoor air quality affects health, sleep, focus, and even mood. Yet most people never notice how bad their air really is. This latest smart air quality sensor changes that. It continuously tracks particulate matter, VOCs, CO levels, and humidity, and sends real-time alerts to your phone when the air dips below healthy levels. The intuitive app even suggests actions: ventilate now, run purifier, or reduce humidity. It's small, stylish, and works with Alexa and Google Assistant. What makes it stand out from older monitors is its predictive trend analysis, which uses AI to anticipate air changes and warn you before problems happen. With families spending more time indoors, this device does something most homes have been missing. It quietly protects your air without constant attention. Smart bedside sleep lamp with sound and sensor. Your bedroom should help you relax and sleep, not stress you out with bright lights and buzzing alerts. This new smart bedside lamp is basically a sleep coach disguised as a light. It uses soft color temperature shifts, gentle sunrise simulators, and built-in soundscapes to ease your body into deep rest. The motion sensor detects when you get up at night and adjusts lighting to prevent blinding brightness. You can control it with voice, app, or schedule it to sync with your sleep cycle. It also integrates with your smart assistant to silence notifications during sleep hours and gradually bring them back when you wake. For anyone whose rest matters, this replaces old lamps, noise machines, and guesswork with one soothing device: automated smart electric curtains, new 2026 version. You've seen smart blinds, but these are on another level. These new automated smart electric curtains install easily on existing tracks and bring full smart control to window treatments without expensive renovation. Whether it's sunrise schedules, hot afternoon shading, or total darkness for movie nights, this system learns your preferences and runs them automatically. It integrates with Matter, Alexa, and Google Home so you can save movie time and have the lights dim and curtains close instantly. There's also intelligent heat sensing. Curtains can partially close when direct sunlight overheats a room, reducing HVAC workload and saving energy. It's a perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and energy efficiency all in one. Smart kitchen scale with recipe integration. Cooking healthy meals is often frustrating. Either you're guessing portions or juggling research mid-prep. This smart kitchen scale solves that by connecting to your phone and integrating with meal apps and recipe platforms. Place your bowl on it, add ingredients, and it tells you exactly what you're adding: calories, macros, and nutrition. Pick a recipe in the app, and it guides you step by step, automatically adjusting quantities based on servings. Everything is tracked in your health profile, and it even works offline, so you're not stuck with spotty Wi-Fi. For anyone serious about food quality, this turns your kitchen from guesswork to precision. Smart indoor garden with app automation, growing herbs, spices, and small veggies indoors feels great until you forget watering, lighting, and feeding schedules. This new smart indoor garden automates all of that. Let grow lights shift spectrum throughout the day like real sunlight. Watering is handled by an internal reservoir with precise dosing, and sensors tell the app when nutrient levels change. You get plant health insights, growth tracking, and gentle reminders only when something actually needs attention. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or total beginner, this makes indoor growing predictable and stress-free, yielding fresh greens year-round with minimal effort. But these first gadgets are just warming up. What's coming next solves problems most people don't even realize are costing them time and money. Stay with us. Smart water quality monitor. Most people assume their water is clean just because it looks clear. This new smart water quality monitor installs under your sink and tracks what you can't see: chlorine levels, heavy metals, TDS, temperature changes, and flow consistency. The real upgrade is real-time alerts. If contamination spikes or filters fail, your phone notifies you instantly. The system learns normal usage patterns and detects leaks early before they turn into expensive damage. Unlike old testers that give what-I'm readings, this runs continuously in the background, protecting your health and your home without daily checks. AI-powered smart trash can motion plus odor control. Trash is one of those everyday annoyances no one thinks to upgrade until this fixes it. This latest AI-powered smart trash can opens with motion or voice, seals automatically, and neutralizes odors using a built-in carbon filtration system. The real innovation is usage tracking. It learns how often you throw trash, when bags fill up, and reminds you before overflow happens. It even adjusts lid sensitivity based on time of day to reduce accidental triggers. Quiet, fast, and surprisingly intelligent. This turns a messy daily chore into something you stop thinking about entirely. Smart Plug with Energy Intelligence 2026 model. This is not just another on-off smart plug. This new generation model actively analyzes how your devices consume power. It shows real-time usage, monthly cost estimates, and identifies appliances that drain energy even when off. The app suggests automation routines, like shutting down entertainment systems overnight or rebooting routers weekly to maintain performance. For smart homes that randomly fail, this becomes the invisible control layer that keeps everything stable. Simple installation, massive long-term impact on energy bills and reliability. Smart refrigerator camera system. Ever stand in a grocery store and forget what's in your fridge? This smart refrigerator camera system installs inside almost any fridge and gives you a live view from your phone. But it goes further. AI recognizes food items, tracks expiration dates, and sends reminders before things go bad. It can even generate grocery lists automatically based on what's missing. No need for a new refrigerator. This upgrades your existing one into something far smarter, cutting food waste and saving money without changing habits. Smart Home Noise Monitor. Privacy safe. Noise stress affects sleep, focus, and mental health more than most people realize. This new smart noise monitor doesn't record conversations. Instead, it detects sound levels, patterns, and disturbances like loud TVs, barking, or nighttime disruptions. It logs trends and alerts you when noise crosses healthy thresholds. Parents use it for baby rooms. Remote workers use it to protect focus. Renters use it to document disturbances. It's subtle, privacy-safe, and incredibly useful for understanding something most homes ignore: sound behavior. If you think these upgrades are impressive, the next ones completely change how your home reacts to you, not the other way around. Smart window treatments. Tired of adjusting blinds or curtains every morning? Smart window treatments automate your home's natural light. Schedule them to open at sunrise, close at sunset, or sync with your smart thermostat to save energy. Some even respond to voice commands, giving your home a futuristic feel while keeping your routines effortless. Voice control hubs. Managing multiple smart devices can get overwhelming. Voice control hubs centralize everything, letting you command lights, music, locks, and thermostats with simple voice instructions. Some hubs also recognize multiple users and adapt routines automatically. Its hands-free convenience that makes your home smarter and your life easier. Robot helpers, from vacuuming to mopping. These little machines do it all. Advanced robot helpers navigate your home intelligently, avoid obstacles, and clean thoroughly. Some even empty themselves or refill water tanks automatically. Perfect for saving hours of chores each week while keeping your floor spotless. Smart drawer lock system. Forget bulky locks and keys. This smart drawer lock system installs completely hidden inside cabinets and drawers. It unlocks via phone, NFC tag, or automation rules. Parents use it for child safety. Offices use it for documents. Homeowners use it to secure valuables without visible hardware. The best part is automation. Locks engage when you leave home and disengage when you return. Clean design, zero drilling damage, and security that feels invisible but powerful. Smart mirror display hub. This looks like a normal mirror until it turns on. The smart mirror display hub shows time, weather, calendar reminders, traffic updates, and fitness stats while you get ready. Voice control lets you manage lights, music, and routines without touching anything. The display disappears when not in use, keeping your bathroom or bedroom aesthetic clean. It's not about luxury, it's about using dead space smarter and starting your day informed instead of rushed. You've seen the coolest gadgets so far, but the next step transforms your entire home into an effortless, fully automated space you never want to leave. Conclusion: these 15 gadgets aren't about gimmicks, they solve real problems, improve daily life, and automate tasks you didn't even realize were holding you back. Each device quietly upgrades your home and makes everything easier, smarter, and more enjoyable. If you loved this list, hit subscribe, give the video a like, and drop a comment.